Hi and welcome back. I'm actually going to probably put two videos out tonight. One about what I do and what this channel is all about, and this one because I'm kind of annoyed. And I read a blog or a news thing on Cosmo Photo. Love these guys. I love your film. I really love your film, and it's one of my favourites to use, and it's very, very reasonably priced. So go over to them and have a look at their site. And it's cosmophoto.com, and they do like a news thing with a blog and that sort of thing. And I was just reading on there that Fuji are going to put their price up. I think it's, how much is it? C200 by 43%. So, and this is just what I was saying in my last video about people paying over the price for Fuji C200 because of its scarcity. And I think they've caused the problem, because I don't see why you'd put the price up by that much. I don't see why they would need to do that. But if people are selling their product at inflated prices, why can't they do it as well? You know, and I don't blame them really. So I'm really kind of annoyed at people who sell films at inflated prices, and it really, really does annoy me. So this is just like a short rant about this. The other one that's gone up is Superior Extra 400, and that's gone up by 17%. And it's like, it's really frustrating when you're a film photographer and you're on a budget like I am, and you know, these are the films that you like and use all the time. But anyway, so that's the rant over, and I'm going to probably do another video about what's going on and what I'm going to be doing. But don't forget, this isn't paid for. They're not paid for this. But as I say, the guys at Cosmo Photo, it's a fantastic film. I really love working with it, and yeah, I'm just about to order some more. So anyway, I say no paid presentation. All right, see you soon.